Hey everybody, welcome back. So for today's video I've got something a little bit different. I have just been sent this brand new product from GHD. Now it's not like anything that they've made before. It's called the GHD Glide and it's a hot brush. So I've not even had this out of the box yet. I haven't even looked at it really. So it looks like this. Now, I thought what would be quite cool is to try it out on camera and we can see exactly what it does. Now, I love GHD products, like all of the hot tools that I use and hair dryers are GHD. I literally love them, so I get really excited when they've brought out a new product. Today, I have been to the gym and I literally washed my hair there and blasted it dry a little bit and then sort of let it air dry the last sort of 20%, so it's kind of wild and a bit crazy, so I think it's kind of perfect to try out this new GHD Glide. Okay, so I've plugged it in and it's heating up. It's literally got the same button as the tongs and the wands that GHD do, so really easy to figure out. Heated up, I think, so I'm just gonna go for it and see what happens. So I'm literally, I guess, you just brush your hair with it, so I'll see what it does. Oh, okay. Well, okay. Well, that's pretty impressive. Okay, so that is quite a difference just from brushing my hair 3 times. What? And it doesn't even get like crazy hot, like I can touch that straight away. Like usually, I don't know if you notice when you like straighten your hair with irons, you can't touch it straight away because it gets really hot, but that isn't. That's crazy. What? Okay, that is really smooth. That is quite bushy. Okay, I'm gonna push this side and see what we can see what happens. Oh, I've got a knot. Okay, I just need to figure out how to get the best results out of those front bits, but I am actually quite shocked. Like my hair was pretty frizzy. Not the frizziest it can be, admittedly, but frizzy nonetheless. And I've brushed it through like 6 times and it is really passable. Like I look quite groomed. Wow, okay. Okay, so I've got to say, I'm pretty amazed with this. Like, it's so quick and so easy, and you can instantly see how smooth and shiny that's made my hair. And it feels amazing, and 0 effort. Like, that was so easy. In conclusion, the GHD Glide is amazing. I was really skeptical at the start because I was like, how effective can a hairbrush actually be at smoothing out your hair? Yeah, I love that. Okay, so I'm gonna go off and install this properly into my dressing table so it can live there permanently. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more fun stuff. If you have anything that you want me to show you hair related, leave me a comment and I can get around to it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week.
I mean, it's straight. It is straight.
Ooh.
I ain't gonna lie.
There you have it. Even your boyfriends can do your hair now. It's that easy. Boyfriend test passed. Okay, exciting. It's time to pick a winner for the YouTube giveaway. So I found this little website called YouTube Random Comment Picker. So I feel like this is the most fair way to do it. And all we need to do is take our URL for our YouTube video, which was the one with the straighteners, and get the comments. And then it adds them. And when we click start here, it will pick our winner. So let's see who's gonna win. Okay, congratulations, Charlotte Benjamin. You're our winner. So if you drop me an email, I'll put the email address for the salon in the description, so you can just get in touch there and we can arrange all your prizes and get you in for your lesson of how to actually use the tools and get the beachy waves on your own hair. So yeah, congratulations and thank you.